In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update employer tax rates in QuickBooks Online. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your tax settings efficiently. Keeping your employer tax rates up to date is crucial for accurate financial reporting and payroll management. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. This will take you to the homepage where we can access all the tools we need. If you're not already logged in, do so using your credentials. Once you're on the home page, you'll see various menus and options that will allow us to delve into the finer details of your business's accounting. Our next move is to focus on the Sales Tax feature. On your dashboard, locate and click on the Sales Tax option. This will direct you to a section dealing specifically with your tax configurations. When managing a business, sales tax details are often changing, and keeping an updated record ensures compliance and accuracy in your reports. After accessing the Sales Tax section, you'll want to click on Manage Tax Categories. This area is vital as it allows you to control how different products and services are categorized, which in turn affects how tax is calculated on them. This step is significant because miscategorized items can lead to incorrect tax calculations and potential issues down the line. Therefore, take a moment here to review your settings and make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is in order. Once you've reviewed or made any necessary changes, hit Done to proceed. This action lets QuickBooks know you're satisfied with your categorizations, and you can now move on to further configuring your tax settings. Remember, confirming these changes solidifies your categorizations, making sure they are ready to be applied during transactions. Finally, we're going to go deeper into the tax settings. Navigate to the Tax Settings option, which provides a comprehensive overview of all things tax-related for your business. This is where you can update your employer tax rates. It's crucial to explore these settings thoroughly, as here you also manage different tax agencies and the rates associated with them. And there you have it, a straightforward path to updating your employer tax rates within QuickBooks Online. By staying diligent with these updates, you'll maintain smoother operations in your business's accounting functions and prevent any tax-related headaches. If you're unsure about changing any settings, remember that QuickBooks has robust support and resources available to help you navigate these adjustments. Thanks for following along, and happy accounting.